Everyone, welcome to Update India. I am Sheen Kajru, and in this video we will be talking about a report published by Azim Premji University. The report title is State of Working India 2021, a 1 year of COVID-19, and this report covers the period from March 2020 to December 2020, and it dwells on impact of 1 year of COVID-19 on employment, incomes, poverty and inequality. The major findings of this report are: the very first says that the COVID has increased informality in the employment, leading to a decline in earning for the majority of the workers and the consequent increase in the poverty in the country. Around 11 million jobs lost nationwide during the April to May 2020 lockdown, though most workers are now employed, but still 15 million are still out of the work. Income for any average household of the four members, the monthly per capita income in October 2020 was below its level in January 2020. The study also found that the post-lockdown, nearly half of the salarized workers had moved into informal work, either as a self-employed, casual wage or informal salaried. The fallback option varied by the caste and region. General category workers and Hindu were more likely to move into self-employment, while marginalized caste workers and Muslim moved into daily wage work, noted the report. Education, health, and professional services saw the highest exodus of workers into other sectors, with agriculture, construction, and petty trade emerging as the top fallback options. Due to unemployment and income losses, the labor share of the GDP fell by 5 percentage point from 32.5 in the second quarter of 2019 and 20 to 27% in the second quarter of 2020 and 21. Monthly earnings of the workers fell on an average by 17% during the pandemic, with self-employment and informal salaried workers facing the highest loss of earnings. The study has found a clear correlation between job losses and the COVID-19 caseload, with states showing higher caseloads such as Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Delhi contributing disproportionately to the job losses. Women and younger workers were more affected by the pandemic-related measures during the lockdown, and in the post-lockdown month, 61% of the working men remained employed while 7% lost their job and didn't return to work. But in the case of women, only 19% remained employed while 47% suffered a permanent job loss, not returning to work even by the end of 2020. With 230 million falling below the national minimum wage threshold of rupees 375 per day during the pandemic, poverty rate has increased by 15 percentage point in the rural and nearly 20 percentage point in urban areas, the report said. Household coped with the loss of income by decreasing their food intake, selling asset and borrowing informally from friends, relatives and moneylenders. The report notes that 20% of those surveyed said that their food intake hadn't improved even 6 months after the lockdown. The report calls for extending free rations under public distribution system till the end of 2021, expansion of Manrega entitlement to 150 days, and COVID hardship allowances for the 2.5 million Anganwadi and Asha workers. All the important findings in the report we have discussed in this video. Thank you so much. Follow Update India for more such information. Thank you.